Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. You're looking to the south and southeast of our studios here in South Fargo. We have some clouds. These clouds are forming fairly high off the ground, which is a little unusual for as humid as we are. Typically we see lower clouds, but that's where the rising motion is taking place. A few rain showers visible in the distance there, passing around the FM area. And from time to time, we're getting a bolt of lightning out of these as well. So that's allowing us to cool off, but only a pinch. It is 89 in Fargo, 93 right now. At Grand Forks Airport, we have a 90-degree evening in Hallock taking place. Detroit Lakes, you are near 90, and above that in Fergus Falls. The hottest of the weather in our region is taking place in western and central parts of South Dakota, where Pierre right now sits at 105 degrees. That's the air temperature. Now, here's the 100-degree weather, and basically that extends all the way down to Dallas and, well, right down into Mexico, where Dallas is at 106 degrees. So a lot of heat here in the Central Plains. Let's check in on that humidity. One of the measures is that dew point temperature in the 70s. We've been tracking that all week. The dew points have been in the 70s, even some 80s at times. So we are as humid as they are down here in the sweltering Gulf Coast states. And all of that humidity in the air causes these heat indices to rise. This is where things get dangerous. Your body has a hard time cooling off out there because the air has so much water vapor in it that your sweat won't evaporate off your skin. That means your body's cooling mechanism doesn't work. So if you're outside, you're feeling lightheaded, seek some shade, cool off any way you can. Triple-digit heat indices will continue here for the next little bit. Couple rumbles of thunder passing right here over the I-94 corridor. These will be pushing off into the Otter Tail County area here after a bit, maybe northern Wilkin County. A few spotty sprinkles across northwest Minnesota. This is not the main event, and I cannot rule out a severe storm in this air mass down here, but I don't think this is going to be the main trigger. Here's the big trigger. A huge area of low pressure is going to work its way eastward. That's going to cool the upper atmosphere off enough to allow storms like this to form. We have a severe thunderstorm watch in the yellow box, northeast Montana, and individual thunderstorms that have become severe in the orange boxes there. These will be pushing into northern parts of North Dakota, and this is the area where we have the best chance at seeing severe storms as we go through the night tonight. A level 2 on a 5-level scale is the yellows that you see for Grand Forks and places like Badette. And as we look at the oranges, this is an even higher risk for severe weather. More numerous severe storms will be possible along the international border, say through the Langdon area. Down here along the I-94 corridor, it's a level 1. That means 1, 2, or a few storms may reach severe criteria. All modes of severe weather are possible as we go through the late night hours. Tomorrow, as that low moves right over the top of our kitchen, we're going to see an even better chance, I believe, at thunderstorms in the area. And that low being over us will cool us off a little bit too, making things a little bit more active thunderstorm-wise here in the early onset of the day. 90s here this evening. That's going to continue. Passing sprinkles can't be ruled out. Most of us get through the nighttime dry, but hot and sweaty. South winds continue to gust over 20 miles per hour. Then check this out. The color begins on the left side of your screen. Set it in motion. Pause it. 1 in the morning. Thunderstorms developing from the main event here along the international border. We'll have hit and miss activity elsewhere, but again, that best chance of severe up north as we go through the morning hours. Now, there's going to be some spin in the atmosphere with this system as it works through. Hail, gusty straight line winds will be the main threat, and I do also think we'll have some flooding rain potential with all the humidity we have in place. Notice we start the day with gusty winds. We'll have temperatures in the 70s. We only rise into the 80s in the south. We stay in the 70s up north. Then in the afternoon, anywhere in this area could see strong to possibly severe thunderstorms as we go through your afternoon. And there we have that level 2 from northeast North Dakota into northern parts of Minnesota for your Tuesday. It is now also a first alert weather day. 70s, north near 80, south gusty winds from the west, and showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. This is a peaceful setting. Alan, thanks for sharing that Lake Marion view. Now, a first alert weather day tomorrow as we cool things off. Hey, it'll be a lot drier too. The humidity, we're punting out of here. And then, well, it gets warmer again at the latter part of the week. I was trying to think of a punter's name.
More football. I know you were going. Yeah, you started down the road.
Yeah, it's like it was a train of thought, and it was only the caboose. Is all I could find.
Yeah, very good. Thanks.
Yeah.
Up next on Valley News Live at 6, monkeypox cases are growing. We'll tell you how many vaccines are coming to North Dakota.